planning to move in or around Victorville, one of the first questions most people ask is, how much will this actually cost? And honestly, the answer depends on a few key details, like how far you're moving, how much you're bringing, and what kind of moving help you need. For a local move in Victorville, your price usually depends on the size of your home, the number of movers needed, the hours involved, and whether there are stairs, heavy furniture, or packing services included. A small apartment move will usually be much different from moving a full family home.
If you're moving long distance, the cost is usually based more on distance, shipment weight, move size, and delivery details. Moving from Victorville to another city or state can also include fuel, labor, scheduling, and transportation costs, so comparing quotes can really help you plan smarter. Packing, furniture disassembly, storage, specialty items, and last-minute scheduling can all affect your moving estimate. That doesn't mean you should avoid these services. It just means it's better to know what you need before requesting a quote. One of the best ways to manage your moving budget is to compare moving rates before choosing a company. Look for professional movers who are clear about pricing, careful with belongings, and experienced with both local and long-distance moves. 3 Movers helps make the process easier by connecting you with moving options that fit your timeline, move size, and budget. Whether you need apartment movers, full-service movers, or long-distance moving help, getting a free estimate is a simple first step. So before you guess your moving cost, take a few minutes to compare your options. Visit 3movers.com and start your free moving quote today. A smoother Victorville move starts with a clearer plan.